Hello students, as we have done with the taking care of sense organs, it has been revised. Now we will move to cells to internal system. Here it is written cells, tissues, organ and internal system. What is a cell? Cell is the basic unit of our body or any living organism's body. So cells together form the tissues, means one type of cells, same type of cells will form a tissue, same type of tissues will form a particular organ, and this organ will perform a particular internal system. So these are the small cells when they join together to form tissues, and many tissues will form organ. Okay, so let's move to the organ system, that is internal system, skeletal system. See, if you can see, here is a bony structure that is called skeletal system. This bony structure provides the shape to our body. It protects the internal organs. See, these are the ribs. If you can see here clearly, these are the ribs. Inside these ribs, here left side and the right side, our lungs are situated, and here upper side on the left side our heart is situated. So these ribs are protecting internal organs like lungs and heart. Here are this is the bony structure that is called the skeletal system. When a child born, it has almost 350 bones, but as we grow our bones reduced to 206 bones. Okay, now let's move this system. What is this? This is our muscular system. See, in the previous video when I was started this chapter, I said why I am or the book has provided you muscular system right after the skeletal system, because the muscles cover our skeleton and we use our muscles and bones to move different parts of body. Here you can see this is our arm and this is our leg. So if we contract and relax, so we can move our hands with the help of these muscles. We can make our muscles strong by exercising them. You can see many people have joined gym to make their muscles strong, and they are taking protein diet. Why protein? Because protein strengthen our muscles. So here in today's video we have discussed our skeletal system and muscular system. Tomorrow we will discuss the digestive system, and you have to read skeletal system and muscular system properly, one line by line. Okay, till then, thank you.